The standard filament holder that comes with the Prusa MK3S holds up to 2 filament rolls and serves its purpose. However, there's a bit of drag with this configuration. I wanted something that would roll a little better and create less tension on the filament going into the extruder. I already had some bone Swiss skateboard bearings lying around, which may be a bit of overkill, but it's what I had. There are certainly cheaper alternatives on Amazon. So all I needed to do was come up with a design that would snap onto the frame and support a spool. I also wanted to use CA glue for any component attachments just to keep it simple. I fired up Fusion 360, sketched the basic outline, and started extruding and modeling from there. I try to design items that don't require support so it's easy to slice and doesn't waste much filament. Speaking of slicing, you'll want to position the 2 pieces so that they are both lying on their flat surfaces, then send them to the printer. Having an octopi really helps make the process easy. Since these don't have any fine details, feel free to print at either 0.2 or even larger layer height. After they finish printing, you'll want to assemble the 2 halves with the bearings using the CA glue. I use Bob Smith Industries glue, but just about any kind will work. Once the glue dries, it's time to swap out the stock holder. Just remove it by pushing a little on the bottom and it will pop right off. Install one side by aligning the upper groove of the holder to the top of the frame and then push downward with some force, but not so much force that you break the bracket. It will snap into place. Space out how far you need for your spool and then install the other one. Now you're ready to put the filament on. Just place it on top of the bearings and you're done. Pretty simple, huh? It rolls much more freely with barely any friction or drag. And that's it. Now to think of some more stuff to print. If you have any questions about how I did any of this, please ask in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, leave a comment and let me know what I could do better. In any case, thanks for watching.